full lane bowling this week. Students are getting 2 shots at 10 pins. We're using an iPad app called My Bowling Scorecard to track their score, enter the number of pins that fell down. It'll do all the math for them, just like at the bowling alley. And the rotating positions, the positions are bowler, scorekeeper, pin setter, and a ball returner. They're gonna try and get through 10 frames today, take 10 turns as the bowler. Try to knock down as many pins as they can. That's okay. Ooh, there's a strike over there. When they rotate positions, the ball returner will come up to become the bowler. Got the pin setters, and they're all working together to set up the pins because they realize the quicker the pin set up, the quicker they can bowl. Oh, another strike over here. Look at how they're working together. Usually the pin setter is just one person's job. This group figured out if we do 2 people, we can get it done faster. Now they're ready for the next person to bowl. Ooh, that's okay. Still get another shot. Let's get it, Charlie. There we go. There's our rotation. Bowler, scorekeeper, pin setter, and then the ball returner. Scorekeeping app looks like this. So it is Maggie's turn next. All right, we'll see what Maggie rolls.
Look what I got.
Nice. All right, off to the side. Didn't get any pins on that turn, but should take her next turn. So we'll mark 0 on the score on the iPad. All right, Max, let's get it. There we go. That's going to be good. Whoa, picked up the spare. Awesome. And that's a look at our full lane bowling with 5th grade.